Hi, welcome back to English Be Good. My name's Chris, and today we are looking at a little bit of grammar. We're looking at so and such as intensifiers to give emphasis to things. Now, some people get confused over the difference, and this is why I'm going to explain it today with a few examples to make it clear for you. So let's get straight into it. And first of all, I'm going to speak about so. So is used with an adjective or an adverb, but we don't put a noun after this. Okay? An example would be the Beatles' record Rubber Soul is so good. Now here I've just got so, adjective, good, nothing else. Okay, with an adverb, Van Halen or Eddie Van Halen plays so quickly on the guitar. He's got very fast fingers. Rubber Soul, incidentally, is a brilliant record, so I also suggest you listen to that if you haven't already. It's one of the first records that the Beatles started to write more creative lyrics for, with a bit more meaning and with some more advanced musical techniques. Some records you should check out to help you remember the so example could be I'm So Tired by the Beatles and So Lonely by Police. Okay, let's move on and look at such. Now, such is a bit different because with such we use an adjective next to it, which is optional. I will explain in a moment. And then we have the noun at the end. Okay, so that's the difference with such and so. With so we don't put a noun at the end, but with such we do. So I could say Rubber Soul is such a good record. Such a good. Now here we have the article a because it's singular. Good, adjective, record is the noun. Okay, Led Zeppelin were such a good band. Or, as I mentioned before, I can withdraw or take out the adjective and just say Led Zeppelin was such a band, meaning such a great band, but we don't have to use the adjective. This is optional. It's more typical to use the adjective though, I would say. Obviously, if the noun is plural and not singular, we don't use the article a. For example, Bruce Springsteen has such dedicated fans. Okay, such dedicated fans without a. The noun is at the end. Now I could convert this to the so usage and say Bruce Springsteen's fans are so dedicated. So notice with so, the noun is before. It's not after the adjective. Sometimes we use so and such to talk about consequences or results of a situation, and we use that to kind of differentiate the two parts. So, for example, the band was so bad that the audience decided to leave. The queue for the concert was so long that we went to the cinema instead. So with any new grammar, I always suggest making personal examples that are true for you, just to help you remember them better. So why not make your own examples according to the ones I've made on this video and send me them in the comments below, and we can talk about maybe, which artist you think is so good or which concert was so amazing and so on. And we can have a little debate below. So that's it for today. My name's Chris, this is English Be Good. I'll be back soon with another video. And take it easy, keep studying English, keep practicing, listening to music as well. And bye for now.